Myself Ankur Deshmukh from Rao Industry Pune. We are in the business of the manufacturing die casting components and making the dies as well. So today we got this opportunity and we go through this video and the new technology of this what is the name? SDS. Steady. Yes. Steady die casting solutions. So it gives a good experience that how we can work on the machines. So it's related to safety. So it is not harmful because it is giving the pre-direction or pre-use for the operator to go on the machines before the actual experience, so that it is good for the company, so that they can give the direction to the employee and it will be a good learning experience for them as well. And it is a good sign that maybe the OE customers can be they can impress with such technology. If we are using the such technology, then that means we are responsible for the safety of the employee. We are responsible for our employee training, of our operator health safety and the operator training as well. So it's good. Actually, it's a good experience, and we suggest to go with this product. Thank you.